In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export editable PowerPoint files with Gamma AI. If you've built a polished deck in Gamma and now need it in a fully editable PowerPoint format, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to get that done quickly and cleanly. The goal is simple. Take what you've created in Gamma and package it into a standard .pptx file so you can fine-tune slides, adjust layouts, and present with confidence in PowerPoint. To start, go to Gamma and open the Projects area. This is the workspace where Gamma organizes your decks and documents, making it easy to keep track of what you're working on. Make sure the project that contains your deck is visible on screen. It helps to give your deck a quick glance here to confirm titles, images, and sections look the way you want before exporting. A tidy project view reduces surprises later and ensures the export reflects your latest edits. From there, click on Settings. You'll find this as a gear icon or a clearly labeled settings option within the project view. Opening settings won't change your content. It simply opens the control panel where Gamma keeps project-related actions. If your screen is compact, settings might sit behind a menu or sidebar. Just expand the interface and you'll see it. Think of this as your command center for managing the project without touching the slide content to itself. Inside Settings, click on Export. This is the action that tells Gamma to prepare an editable PowerPoint file. When you select Export, Gamma packages your deck into a DOPS pptx, preserving editable text boxes, images, and most layout choices. Depending on the complexity of your design and the number of slides, this can take a few moments. That's normal. Avoid refreshing the page while Gamma finalizes the file. When it's ready, your browser will begin the download, or you'll see a prompt to save the file. The result is an editable deck you can open in PowerPoint, keeping the structure you built in Gamma. A few quick tips as you export. Slide content that uses web-specific fonts may substitute to a close match in PowerPoint if that font isn't available on your computer. Simple transitions and layouts usually translate smoothly, while very custom animations may look slightly different and can be adjusted later in PowerPoint. Your original project in Gamma remains unchanged, so you can export again anytime after making updates. That's all it takes. Open your project in Gamma, head into Settings, and use Export to generate an editable PowerPoint file. You're now ready to refine, present, and share your work wherever PowerPoint is required.